How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, let's talk about the best ATK U2 mouse setting. So we are inside the ATK Gear Hub, and basically you then want to select your mouse, and then this is going to be our main interface. The first thing that you want to navigate into is through the DPI setting, but of course, if you're onto something like macros, you can set macros according through your preference. But one of the main settings that we are going to talk about is going to be our DPI. In most cases, 800 is going to be the best one because most pro players are using this specific DPI. In here, you want to set something like 400, 800, 1600, and the last one, you can set this to whatever you want to. In this way, we have access to this best DPI formats or values on our mouse. From there, let's click on the performance setting, and inside this page, you want to select something like above 1000. Now, take note that this will increase your battery cost. So when you use something like 2K, 4K, or 8K, it's not going to be battery efficient. So when you maybe stop playing a game, you then want to turn this back into something like 500. So from there, after turning this into 2K, 4K, or 8K, let's navigate through the parameter setting and then make sure that the motion synchronization is turned on. Now, this will apply a smoothing algorithm to the mouse movement for more accurate track. This is really important, especially when we are playing games involving tracking, and one of those games is like Apex Legends, where you track most of your target, and basically this will just smooth out your mouse movement. From there, another important setting is going to be the key debounce delay. Just click on 1ms. Basically, this will prevent duplicate or accidental triggering caused by rapid mouse button double clicks or jitter. And of course, for the sleep time setting, you can set this to whatever you want to. So basically, that's the best setting for our ATK U2 mouse. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.